Brake. Hold over the brake. Dead man down. Dead man down. But don't let hold your foot on the brake. Don't let it pop up like that. Okay. Okay. Give it 2 bells. Ding ding. Okay. Accelerate. That's it. Go ahead.
2168 will hold at the loop until you change in, and then they want to follow you back inbound.
That's a copy. Thank you. Coast over the special work. Okay. A little power. Hold it down. Before this curve, you want to coast. Whenever you're coasting, put your foot over the brake. Okay, put your foot over the brake. Push down. The reason for that is if something ran out in front of you, you're ready to stop. All right, give it power. Give it power. Now you're going to do the same thing in this curve. You're going to coast and put your foot over the brake. Okay, now. Coast, foot over the brake. That's it. Alright, when you get on this straightaway, let's practice the stop. Go ahead, give us the brakes. Go ahead, brake. Feel it? Feel it? Okay, good. Bring it to a complete stop. A little more brake. Good, good, good. Okay, 2 bells. Ding ding. Alright, accelerate. There just to get through this one. Go ahead. Now coast. Put off. Coast. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Okay, give it some juice. Now stop. This gate is open until we stop here. Good stop. Good stop. Okay. 2 bells. Go ahead. Got a switch up here. We're going to stop with the switch. Baltimore had a rule and Philly still has it. Complete stop at a facing point switch. Some cities like San Francisco to this day, they only have to slow down at 10 miles, 8 to 10 and go right through them. But we stop. Okay, 2 bells. Good. Another switch, so we stop. Good. Good stop. Okay. Good. You've got a good feel for this going around the turns. That's good. Stan is hiding in here somewhere. Let's see. There he is. Just stop by the door up here.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah, you can fill up a little. That's good, right there.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah, this is Sean from National Capital.
Good.
So,
Merry Christmas. I work on the conductor ranking. I'm hoping to be operator when I turn 18.
Put your foot down because it's rolling. Hold the brake down, it's rolling. Dad here went to St. Joe's Prep, so he rode these things.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, Santa's father was a Philly native, Roxborough. Roman.
Okay.
Yeah. So, all right.
Quiet back there?
Yeah, right now it is. So, Dr. Mark is bringing out another group on 4533, but no customers free. Now it's going to roll, so you accelerate right away. 2 bells. Put off the braking. Okay, good. Okay, good. We're going to stop down there at that line. brake off. Red light on, which means what?
It means it's locked.
Check brakes are locked. It's not going anywhere. That you don't have to touch. Good. Okay. Okay, we can head back.
So all clear?
Brake first. Right there. Now dead man. Brake off. Lights out, which means feel it rolling.
Yep.
Okay, because your brakes are off. Good. $21.68 at departing 28th Street for the Visitor Center.
Roger, 2168, you're clear back to the Visitor Center. You may have to wait
Good. Stop. You don't throw the people. You'd be surprised how many people jam the brakes on it and throw the people around when they're first starting out.
That's the way the metro is all the time in DC.
And then we do a stop at this switch and then we go right in. Right before the curve, coast, and then accelerate after you go around the curve. But when you coast, put over the brake. Perfect, you got it. Okay, now give it. Go ahead. Okay, now it's wet rail, so we'll start slowing down. Yeah, that's going to national capital, that flag mark. Okay, we got a switch up here. We have to stop. Make sure it's set for the left. And it is.
All clear?
All clear, 2 bells. We're going to stop at that white line there. Safety stop. Okay. And then you just kind of ease it around and put it in park. Okay, anywhere here is perfect. Okay.
Nothing on?
Yep. Up. Okay. Yeah, the brake has to go down a little more. A little more. A little more. Right there. Now the dead man off. Dead man off. Brake off. Red light tells you what?
It's locked.
Good. Nice job.
Thank you.